The birds are here. Here's Ducati. Say hi. There's Ducati. Say hi. And here's Bee. Hi, Bee. We're gonna get their cages unloaded. Go put her in the back.
Thunder, come on.
Here comes Savannah helping carry the stuff in. You okay? Come on, bring it up. What are you guys doing? We'll get you out of there in a minute.
Get out of there in a minute.
All right, they got the cages up. There's Bee hanging in her cage. That was a rough cage to put together. And then here is Ducati in his cage eating. They're starving. It was a long drive, huh? So they're here, yay! What are you doing, bud? He's trying to take a bath in his bowl. We're gonna go get the sink cleared out so you can actually take a shower. Here comes Ducati to take a bath. Look at him. It just slides open. Uh-oh, where are you going? Get back down. Ducati, get back down. Set her over on the ledge.
Right here?
Yeah. Step up.
Step up. Oh my God.
I take it Bee does not like water. Oopsie. Still taking a shower. Okay, so the birds are here. They're all set up. We're gonna try to get into our new routine. Trevor was in a real big hurry. He had to get back to base, and he's shipping out this Thursday. I think it's the 28th. So if we could all just say a prayer for him, his safety and safe return, and please pray for all the men and women out there who are fighting for our freedom, fighting for us to make these YouTube videos, which seem so minuscule when you think about the big picture. But anyway, so apparently he's going over to where he got shot. He's being shipped back to where he got shot, and apparently that's where they dropped the bomb last week or whatever. So anyway, we'll be praying daily, nightly for him and all the men and women over there. Yeah. But yeah, so we got the birds. So there'll be many videos with them. Lots and lots. Hopefully you guys can see them. I'm not sure, the sun is shining bright today. It's a beautiful day. So there we go. Say bye-bye. Say thanks for watching. They're looking at me like I'm nuts. I might be. I don't know. Anyway. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I love y'all. Thank you so much for your support during this little change, this endeavor that we've walked into. Thank you for your support. We appreciate you more than you'll ever know. Yeah. Say hello. Alright guys. Till next time. Do you guys have nothing to say? Nothing at all? Absolutely nothing. How about hello? How about I love you? How about food? Nothing? Alright. How about bye-bye? Bye-bye. Nothing? You have nothing?